In this video, we will show you how we replace this old toilet with a Cobra Arrive wall-hung pan and a Cobra concealed cistern. First, we chopped out the tiles and removed the old toilet. We quickly realized that the wall we wanted to install on was not the best option. This was because the installation wall was a single maxi brick wall and would need a long housing wall. This would make the bathroom appear smaller and would not be a good design element. We changed the orientation of the concealed cistern to the adjacent wall and attached the cistern to the wall. We then built a skin that would cover the cistern. We plastered the skin and tiled the entire bathroom. Once tiling was complete, we began to finish the installation by attaching the Cobra Arrive wall-hung pan. We attached the soft close waterproof seat onto the pan. Attaching the dual actuator plate was the last step. Thanks for watching our video. Look out for our complete Cobra bathroom renovation video.